back to my channel. It is officially the holiday season, which is my absolute favorite. I'm going to show you guys how to make these delicious caramel baked apples. There's no refined sugar in them. They are so tasty, so easy to put together, and they are a major crowd pleaser. This is a really great dessert, especially if there's only a few of you at your holiday gathering this year. And it's also great if you're on your weight loss journey or just looking to save on some calories. It's going to be a lot healthier than that apple pie, which I will be eating. All right, so real quick before I hop into showing you guys how to make this delicious, easy dessert, I wanted to let you guys know that I'm gonna be having a huge Black Friday sale on my website. All of my ebooks will be 50% off. My Plantiful Kids bundle and my necklaces and t-shirts will also be on sale. Now, the biggest sale I'm gonna tell you guys about is our Eat More, Weigh Less sale. If you're not familiar with our weight loss program, High Carb Hannah and I designed this very comprehensive weight loss program. You get a video course that outlines in detail everything you need to know to be successful long-term with your weight loss journey. It also includes a full, very detailed book full of tons of recipes, and you also get access to our private online support community. Hannah and I love getting in there every day and chatting with you guys, helping you troubleshoot if you're having any issues. A wonderful supportive community. We love seeing everybody in there supporting each other, giving each other their tips and tricks. It's awesome. And this Black Friday, it's going to be 60% off. We have never had a sale this big. So if you've been thinking at it or looking at it, or you want to be ready to hop on your weight loss journey, now's gonna be the time to do it. The Black Friday sale is gonna run Black Friday through the following Monday end of day. Let me tell you a little secret. If you go to my website now, you will see that I've already put everything on Black Friday sale. So if you've had your eye on anything, make sure you check it out. As always, I will link everything for you below. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you check out my playlist on weight loss. That is where you can find everything you need to know about my journey and what I did to lose 70 pounds and keep it off all these years. And make sure you check me out on Instagram because I'm constantly posting food and lifestyle inspiration there. And I'm always posting new recipes there. So make sure you check me out. All right, let's get this dessert going. I know it sounds really simple, but the flavor on this is amazing. Okay, so to make these baked apples, it's really simple. I'm just gonna take this knife and I'm gonna cut out the center of these apples. And if you have an apple core, it's easier to do that, but I don't have one. So I'm just gonna use this apple, and make sure you don't go all the way through. You wanna stop about an inch from the bottom. And so now I'm just gonna scoop out the apples a little more with a spoon. So now I'm going to take these medjool dates and chop them up. This is what gives this caramel apple its caramelly flavor. It is so delicious. So make sure if you don't get pitted dates that you do get the pit out. It is sizable and will break your teeth. And it only takes about 1 date per apple. So to the chopped dates, I'm gonna add some chopped pecans. If you're nut-free, go ahead and leave this out. It's totally optional, but if you're not, it really does add a really delicious texture and flavor. Now I'm just gonna add a little cinnamon to the mixture, a little vanilla, and a little maple syrup. And now I'm going to add the date filling to the apples.
Now you want to grab an oven-safe baking dish for your apples to sit in, and it needs to be deep enough to hold a little water. Then you're going to add a little boiling water to the apple dish. Don't pour it over the apples, you just want it to go around the apples. And then let it bake for about 35 minutes. So while the apples bake, I'm going to make this really easy vanilla ice cream to put on top of the apples. Alright, so to my food processor, I'm just going to add these frozen chopped bananas. If you have a high-speed blender, you can totally use that. Otherwise, a food processor works great. So now I'm going to add just a little splash of vanilla and let it blend until it's nice and coarse. So you want it to look nice and coarse like this, and then you're going to start blending it again while you add a little plant milk to make it get creamy and smooth. And there you go. It's quick and easy and comes out super creamy and delicious. And I like to sprinkle a little of my weight loss friendly granola on top. It makes it so crunchy and yummy. And then lastly, you can drizzle a little more maple syrup on top if you want. This is completely optional, but that is it, guys. It comes together super quick and easy, and it is absolutely delicious.
Alright guys, that is it for me today. I hope you give this dessert a try. If you do, tag me on Instagram. I love seeing when you guys try my recipes. Don't forget to check out my Black Friday sale, and if you're looking to take your weight loss journey up a notch, make sure you check out our Eat More, Weigh Less program. Alright, I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday and enjoy being around your loved ones. Be grateful, eat the food, and I'll see you next time.